All right, so I think the world of DIY culture on the internet is fascinating, both a blessing and a curse. I am part of it, I will say. Just this past weekend, fixed the heating element on my stove with a YouTube video. Thank you, YouTube, for that. Thank you for the person that posted it. Also, I have tried to DIY my own retirement finances, picking stocks. I think other people do that too. And one of the things I learned from that is I don't have any distinct, clear-cut edge or advantage in that field. There are people that can read financial statements, that can look through balance sheets and go through all the little footnotes in the annual reports, and they can pull out subtle little small hedges of edge that they have over other people because they know a thing that somebody else doesn't know. And that's what gives them an edge, right? So I think that there's an application of that in healthcare. I don't have an edge in terms of financial management. There are people that spend in teams all day looking through footnotes, looking through balance sheets, scouring the internet, trying to figure out little minute things about companies that will give them an edge, right? I don't have time to do that because I do that in healthcare. I do that when I think about neurology, when I think about brains, like that's what I spend every day doing. So that's an edge, right? So what I look at is when I work with people, that's what they're coming to me for, is they're saying, I'm looking for an edge to help myself get healthy again. And I think when we try to do it ourselves as like look, we're kind of coming into the game as a novice, we just don't even know where to start or what we should look at or how all these different things work together. We don't know how to read the footnotes, so to speak. So using an expert in the case of your health is probably a smart idea. I'm not saying that expert should be me. I'm not saying that it should be any particular person, but the internet does give us some capacity to be able to seek out people that are experts in different things and to be able to borrow their brains, to be able to rent their brains, to be able to use them as a machine to help solve the problem. And I think that that's a really good thing. And I hope that that's the contribution of videos like these and from other professionals that are using them. And I hope they help you pick through a library of people that can help you. But I would say, when it comes to your health, DIYing, maybe for little things, try it out. But overall, when the rubber meets the road, find somebody that can help you and do it well. All right? Hope it helps. Take care.